Long ago, in a small coastal village, lived a boat builder named Niran. He built boats quietly and never spoke much. His boats were beautiful, smooth, and perfectly shaped. But there was one strange thing about them. Before giving a boat to anyone, Niran always cut a small crack into the bottom plank and sealed it again. People noticed this and began to whisper, "Why does he damage his own boats?" they asked. Some buyers refused to take them. Others laughed and said Niran was careless. Still, a few fishermen trusted him and sailed away. One year, the sea turned cruel. Storms came without warning. Waves grew wild. Many boats returned broken, and some never returned at all. Families cried on the shore. Fishermen ran to Niran in anger and fear. "Your boats are cracked," they shouted. "They will sink." Niran listened silently and said nothing. When the storm returned again, fishermen had no choice but to sail in Niran's boats because no others were left. The village waited in fear through the long night. By morning, something unbelievable happened. Boats began to return, broken sails, tired men, but alive. All of them were Niran's boats. The villagers were shocked. They surrounded Niran and demanded the truth. Only then did Niran speak. He said that many years ago he was once a sailor who trusted a perfect boat, one without a single flaw. When the storm came, the boat resisted the sea until it snapped and took everyone with it. He survived by holding broken wood all night. After that, he learned something the sea teaches slowly. A boat that pretends to be perfect will break when tested. A boat that accepts weakness learns how to survive. The small crack he made was not damage. It was a place where pressure could escape. Silence filled the shore as the villagers finally understood the truth. Niran was never weakening his boats. He was teaching them how to live. Moral: what bends under pressure doesn't break, it survives.